Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my video channel in English. This is day 3 of my English learning journey. Today I want to talk about my life in Cambodia. I live in Cambodia, a beautiful country with kind people and delicious food. In my daily life, I usually get up early in the morning and start my day with a simple thing. And then I go to work. I work 5 days a week. One thing I love about my country is food. My favorite food is Cambodian seeking beef lok lak, which means English stir-fried marinated beef, served on a plate of fresh lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, accompanied by a lamb and black pepper dipping sauce. It is very delicious for me. In the evening, I go to teach English for children in Wat Kraya Buddhist Primary School. And then I go to my house. I help my family by look after my babies while my wife is cooking food for us. I believe that learning English can change my future. I want to speak English fluently and communicate with people around the world. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please help me by liking and subscribing to my channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.